So now we have a problem. Here is our almost in the middle of refinishing of our hardwood floors. We did a grid 20, 36, 60, 100, and then we patched. Our problem is that this discoloration, terrible discoloration. We saved the sawdust from the second and third sanding, so 60 and 100, and we mixed it with wood glue. I patched nail head holes, and it's just creating a lot of mess, and it's so difficult to get off. Very difficult. I don't know, it's extremely labor intensive. Look at this side, we already removed, but it removed the discoloration, but it again took us almost 2 hours just to painstakingly sand off all this discoloration after wood glue. So is there a better way to do it? I could not find anything on internet. How to fix the nail heads, the gaps between boards. So this is Harpine 3/4 inch, quite difficult now. So if anybody out there knows how to patch holes and it's not creating a lot of mess, please let me know. Thank you.